amin'ny teny gasy hoe manontany. De raha dika zany demande de nouvelles na hoe manontany vaovao. What's new? What's new? Code 9. Ino vaovao? Synonyme what's up? What's up? Aza dino foana ny intonation. What's up? What's up guys? Guys zay midika amin'ny teny français hoe les gars. Amin'ny teny gasy hoe ry zalahy. What's up guys? What's new guys? What's new? What's up? Nothing special. Tsisy vaovao tompoko. Rien de spécial. Nothing special. Repeat. Nothing special. Nothing much. Nothing much. Repeat. Nothing much. Not much. Not much. But I am tired. But I am tired. Rien de spécial, mais je suis fatigué. Raha toa miaraka zay, miaraka amin'ny hafainganana, na hoe rapidité. Nothing special, but I am tired. Inona ny fanontaniana? What's up? Nothing special, but I'm tired. Nothing much, but I'm tired. Tsisy vaovao fa reraka fotsiny aho. Tsy de misy olazaina loatra fa reraka fotsiny aho. What's up, man? We're nothing special, but I'm tired. Good morning. Good morning. How are you doing? How's it going? I'm good, thanks. I'm fine, thanks. Not bad, thanks. Rehefa tsy salama ny olo anankiray, I'm not good today. De mamaly anao hoe, I'm sorry to hear that. Get well soon. Get well soon. Mazaho fahasalamana dikan'izay, soigne-toi bien. What's new? Well, nothing special, but I'm tired. Azadiny foana miaka amin'ny rapidité. Anjaranao mihaino de makataka. Nothing much, but I'm tired. Not much, but I'm tired. But I am, avec rapidité zay de lasa inona? But I am tired. Asking somebody's name. Asking somebody's name. SB, fanalavana azy, somebody. Name, de nom de quelqu'un. Zany hoe demande de nom de quelqu'un. Manontany ny anaran'olona iray. What's your name, please? What's your name, please? Azadiny misy foana ny intonation zany hoe lantom-peo. Arakaraky ny émotionnao, raha lina be anao, de hafa, dia samy hafa ohatr'izay le izy arakaraky ny zavatra miseho. What's your name, please? What's your name? Hey, what's your name? What's your name? Can I have your name? Repeat. Can I have your name? What's your name? Repeat. What's your name, please? De azadiny fa rehefa miteny anao dia tokony iseho foana hoe flexibilité anao, ary tokony iseho foana hoe naturel le izy, fa tsy olona mindrana an'le teny anao ka toy ny feon'olona manao dialogue. Fa tsy maintsy hoe what's your name, please? Excuse me, what's your name? Can I, repeat, can I have your name? Tsy name fa name. Comment vous appelez-vous? Izy ny anaranao zafady tompoko. Mamaly avy hatrany. My name's Joy. My name's Joy. I'm Joy. Azonao atao sady tsy miteny my name sady tsy miteny I'm fa abdy hoe Joy. What's your name, please? Joy. And yourself. And yourself. Repeat. Yourself. What about you? What about you? Ny angatako aminao dia mihaino de mamerina. What about you? Azonao atao miteny hoe what about you? Tsy diso zay. Fa anglais parlé, anglais américain de hoe what about you? Na hoe what about you? Arenao koa. Elle est tien. Oui. Elle est votre. I'm Patrick. Oui. I'm Bob. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Enchanté de faire votre connaissance. Faly mahafantatranao tompoko. Le zadiny fa ao anatin'ny nice to meet you aorinany ao azonao tao mametraka an'le anaran'le olona voany fantarinao teo. Nice to meet you, Joy. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too, Patrick. Glad to know you too. Glad to know you too. No way, you too. Tsy fiteny hoe me too ao anatin'ny fanontaniana ny anarana. The pleasure is mine. The pleasure is mine. Le plaisir est pour moi. Faly torak zany ihany koa. Azadiny fa mila miaina anao anatin'izany fampianarana anglais zany. What's your name, please? My name's Renee. What about you? Well, I'm Patrick. Oh, nice to meet you, Patrick. You too, Joy. You too, Renee. You too, zay anara-pitraknao zany. Asking somebody's origin. Asking somebody's origin. Manontany ny fiavian'olona iray. Na hoe demande de l'origine de quelqu'un. So, where are you from? Where are you from? Repeat. Where are you from? Efa nazavako tery ambony ery hoe are azonao atao tsy mamaky azy rehefa miteny aingana ianao. Tiany hoe where are you from? De zadiny ny intonation. Ny intonation fanontaniana rehetrarehetra ao amin'ny teny anglisy de mitovy daholo. Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? So, where are you from? Aiza ny fiavianareo tompoko? Vous êtes d'où? Where do you come from? Where do you come from? Repeat. Where do you come from? Mila manana précision foana ianao, avereo miadana aloha dia avereo aingana rehefa avy eo. Where did he come from? Where did he come from? Tovy hevitra izy roa. Raha notanina ianao hoe where are you from? Repeat. Na hoe where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from. Where did he come from? I come from. De apetrakinao aorinan'izay ny anaran'le toerana. Zay toerana ivinao, tanindrazanao. Where are you from? I'm from Tana, but I grew up in Tuliar. Je viens de Tuliar. Oui, je viens de Tana. Je viens de Madagascar. I'm from Madagascar. I'm from Madagascar. Repeat. I'm from Madagascar, but I grew up in Tuliar. Je viens de Madagascar et j'ai grandi à Tuliar. Avec Tanao, fallait bet en Tuliar. Grew up avec verbe oui, to grow up. Grow up. Grow up, grandir. Les B. Sanwe, avec Tanao, fallait bet en Tuliar. I came from Madagascar. Aznoto ni mamaly ny fanontaniana where from amin'ny I come from. Tsy maninona zany. Where did he come from? Mamaly azy ianao hoe I am from. Tsy manina ihany koa zany. Okay, thank you very much. That's all for today for your 20 minutes a day English. Enjoy to learn it, and you need to practice. Don't forget, you need to precise. Zay tompoko ny androany miaraka amin'ny 20 minutes a day English. Ampianao zay, ary averimbereno zay, dia tsy maintsy miaraka manao dialogue foana atsika. Sotra tompoko.